Hello and welcome. We're just leaving the Golden area. Greg, my buddy, just got his Model Y delivered today from Superior, Colorado at the Tesla store, and it's really a nice one. It's a long-range Model Y. We're going to leave our area here, travel along 70, and we're going to catch a charge in a place called Kremmling. And we'll go over here on 70 through the tunnel, and then through Silverthorne North. We'll do Kremmling here, and then we're going to go north, Highway 14 through Walden, 280, make that 230, 130, all the way to Saratoga today. So let's get on the road. This is Golden, Colorado, and this is the Coors plant. And you can see it over there, covered in steam. This is where all the beer comes from. These Coors beer. Just leaving the Golden area here now. We stopped and got a little something to eat, and now we're mobile. It's 92 miles to Kremmling now. Just getting up on the interstate or something. Yeah, this is Interstate 70 here now. another case for regen and autopilot. They're working on the highway here, Interstate 70. And as we coming down, it's 50 miles an hour max. And we're just running autopilot. It stays in the lane, following this truck here. And I don't have to do anything other than keep the wheel happy here. It's beautiful outside here. We're just about our exit here, 1.9 miles to Silverthorne. Then we head north to Kremmling. Just going by the Silverthorne SuperCharger here. Just getting out of town. This is the town of Kremmling. It's located by this river. And we'll stop and get a charge here at SuperCharger. Just heading out of Kremmling to the north. Looks like somebody's in trouble. Got a couple patrol cars here. Interesting thing about these gates here, if the weather is so bad they have to close the road, they just block it off. And if you're trying to get out of town, you can't leave, which is fine. Then you got to go find a hotel here and wait it out. That's how it works around here in the West. All right, we're on the road. Next stop will be Walden. Let's have a look around.
Now turn left onto State Highway 125.
Just coming into the town of Walden here now, and we'll kind of drive through Walden on our way up north. Cafe. Or, sorry, the Mad Moose Cafe.
Four Winds Pizza.
Hey, look at that. Movie theater in the IOOF building. That is Walden from south to north. Saratoga now 62. Laramie 62. Yeah, there's a Y up here. You go to one way or the other. 12 miles will get to that Y. Alright, well, let's hit it. This is the town of Cowdry, or Cowdry, C-O-W-D-R-Y. Not sure if it's pronounced that way or what. Little town here along Highway 125. Got one two-story building here in the corner. Looks like a pueblo or something. There you go. And 3.9 miles will split off and head towards Wyoming here. Welcome to Wyoming. Just left Colorado, now in Wyoming. Speed limit's now 70 miles an hour. First stop here will be Riverside / encampment. Just coming into the valley here now.